Welcome to the construction of different geometrical objects. In this tutorial, we will know about to divide a given line into equal parts. Okay, for example, if a given line is given, if a line is given of the given length, so how it will be divided into equal part by using protractor, by using compass, without using any ruler or any measuring instrument. So for example, to divide a given straight line into any number of equal parts. Okay, for example, AB is the given line, and suppose we have to divide it into 7 equal parts. Okay, so one method is that, for example, if you measured the length of this line and divide it into 7 equal part and then mark that equal part in the line, but that is a rough method, that is a trial method, and there is the possibility and the line will not be divided into 7 equal part. We have a graphical method by using a compass, by using a divider, to divide this line into for example 7 equal part. In any part you can divide this line. So the first step is draw a line at an angle of for example 30 degree. Okay, not less than 30 degree. So first step is to draw AC line at an angle not less than 30 degree. Now divide this AC line at equal parts. Okay, so the number of the parts will be equal to the number at which you are dividing the AB line. For example, if you are dividing the AB line into 5 parts, so just marks 5 equal part in this AC line. If you are dividing the AB line into 10 part, then mark 10 points on AC line of any length, but remember that will be of equal measurement. So now the given question is, suppose we are dividing the AB line into 7 equal parts. So now mark 7 equal points on AC of any length. So open a divider, open a compass of any length and mark 7 point on AC. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now join the last point. Okay, join the last point with the point B. Okay, the last point, suppose join this last point with the B, and then draw parallel line. See, join the last point with B. Now from each point draw parallel to the previous one. Okay, from each point draw the parallel lines. So the AB line will be divided into 7 equal parts. Okay, see, these are the 7 points. Now from 7 join 7 with point B, and then from each point draw the parallel line to the line 7B. See, so the AB line is divided into 7 equal parts. So that is the graphical method of dividing a line into 7 of any number of any equal number part.